Hello everyone, welcome to the Beamable 0.18 package update video. Let's see what's new. You can now bundle your content directly with your builds. Previously, every time the game would start, your content would download onto your player's phone or device. Now you can package this content with your builds by going to Window, Beamable, Utilities, Bake Content. By default, content baking will happen automatically every time you build your game. You can disable this by going to Config, in the content section, and disable Bake Content on Build. The schedule editor now has better cron support. If you open up the definitions section, you can see a cron string and a human readable description of the cron string. You can edit this directly by changing the cron string directly. We've moved the Beamable environment class to the runtime so you can access your package version from your scripts. You can access the Beamable version number by using the Beamable environment class and using the SDK version field. This is comparable to a string, so you can make version checks like this. This will help you write more robust integration code with Beamable. There are a few user experience improvements to the Microservice Manager window. In the Microservice Manager window, you'll notice that you can collapse the log state by clicking this drop-down. And we've renamed the Build and Run button to say Play or Replay if it's already running. There are improvements to the Microservice Lifecycle SDK. You can register custom services by marking a static method with the Configure Services attribute and having it take an iServiceBuilder. You can give this an execution order in case you have multiple registration methods. To run a static method once when the microservice launches, take a static method, mark it with the initialize services attribute, have it take in a iService initializer, and have the method either return void or an async task. Now you can represent your C# microservice client callable functions as Beamable content data objects. In the Content Manager, under the new API section, create an announcement API. Here, you'll need to choose what microservice to use, which client callable to use, and depending on the type of API you're creating, there'll be a different set of variables available for you. For the parameters in the method that you're referencing, you can type in a hard-coded value or use the gear icon to assign it to a variable. Now, announcements can call one of your client callables when a player claims the announcement. On any announcement, open the gift section, check Webhooks, add a webhook, and select the announcement API we just created. Now, when the player claims this announcement, the webhook will be called on their behalf. There's a brand new leaderboard flow that uses some new UI technology called BUS, or Beamable Unity Style Sheets. It uses SDF rendering under the hood to deliver the best performance and customization. From the toolbox, drag in the leaderboard flow new. On the leaderboard's presenter, you can control its test mode, which leaderboard contents it's using, and how many entries you'd like to see if you're in test mode. When you run the game, you can scroll through auto-generated data when you're in test mode, and hit the button at the bottom to return to the top. The asset import glitch on play mode has now been fixed. When you enter play mode, you should no longer see asset import of content. And now it's time for the Beamable bonus tip. The search box in the Content Manager will let you search by content ID, but it will also let you search by type if you use the T: syntax. I can search for all of my currency, like this, and you can also search for content by tags by searching for tag:(A) or B. This search syntax can also be used from C# code when filtering the manifest. Thanks for watching this package update video. You can read the full change logs on our blog, and please check in next time for the next package. Until then, see you later.